Most everyday tasks rely on materials and processes we use without thinking about how they work. Task basis exists to explain those fundamentals clearly, not opinions, not hacks, just the underlying behavior of common things we interact with every day. This first video starts with something simple. Baking soda. Baking soda is used for cleaning, deodorizing, and baking. It's often seen as an all-purpose fix, but baking soda isn't special because it does many things. It's useful because of how it behaves chemically. Baking soda is a compound called sodium bicarbonate. It's made of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. Chemically, baking soda is mildly alkaline. That means it reacts with acids, but gently, not aggressively, not dangerously under normal use. That mild reactivity is the foundation of everything it does. When baking soda comes into contact with an acid, like vinegar or acidic odors, a reaction occurs. During that reaction, carbon dioxide gas is released, water is formed, the acidic substance is neutralized, the bubbles people notice are just a byproduct. What actually matters is that the chemical structure of the acid changes. That change is what makes baking soda useful. Many odors come from acidic compounds in the air. Because baking soda is mildly alkaline, it can react with those compounds and reduce their ability to smell. It doesn't cover odors, it doesn't add fragrance, it changes the chemistry behind them. That's why baking soda works in places like refrigerators and enclosed spaces. Baking soda is also a mild abrasive. Its particles are hard enough to remove grime, soft enough to avoid scratching most surfaces. This allows it to clean physically while remaining relatively gentle. It's effective not because it's strong, but because it's controlled. In baking, baking soda reacts with acids in food. When heat is applied, carbon dioxide gas is released. Those gas bubbles expand inside batter or dough. That expansion is what causes baked goods to rise. Same compound, same reaction, different application. Baking soda works because it sits in a balanced position. It reacts, but predictably. It cleans, without being harsh. It neutralizes, without overwhelming. Understanding that behavior makes its uses clearer. Task basis focuses on explaining these kinds of fundamentals, so everyday tools and materials make more sense when you use them.